Hello guys. Welcome to SOSE Universities. Okay, Society of Software Engineers, and we're going to introduce the business intelligence tool Tableau. And if you go into this Tableau and what is Tableau, why we require to learn this Tableau, what is the future of the Tableau, I'm going to explain you now. And if you take, I'll take you the small demo session for this Tableau. And if you take this one, this is the dashboard. This is the dashboard which I built with the help of the Tableau. You can see the top right Tableau. This is software which have been installed in my laptop, and then I started building this dashboard. Okay, if you this is the one HR dashboard where we can see the employee count, attrition rate, active employees and age, average age, and here in this chart, the gender, male and female, and here department wise, HR, R&D, and sales department. And we can take age criteria here, and this is the information about the job satisfaction rating on which department, and this all about attrition integrate attrition rate gender for different age groups. Okay, based on this data which is available from the company in the company database, based on the data we can start building the charts. Okay, these are the charts, these are the individual charts which have been prepared. Okay, these are the KPIs, and this is the lollipop chart, and this is the pie chart, and this is the histogram chart, and this is the text table chart, and this is finally donut chart. Okay, donut chart. All charts together, sheets together, we can build a beautiful dashboard. Okay, beautiful interactive dashboard. Why interactive means if you select any filter part, based on these selections, the data will be interacted on all the sheets, in all the sheets. Okay, if you see the bachelor degree, based on the bachelor degree, that numbers are getting changed and visualization is getting changed. Okay, and this see the visualization totally is completely changed. Like this, based on our data and how to present the data through the visualization format is called Tableau. Okay, it's called Tableau. Tableau also known as a reporting tool or visualization tool. Okay. Now coming to this one, we're going to see each and every topic on the Tableau, and we're going to. You also in future you can also design the beautiful dashboards, and then you can present to the client and stakeholders. Okay. Now what are the topics? uh, Topics are there. Means we are going to learn Tableau desktop and Tableau online. These are the two topics which are going to cover, and a new batch is coming, is going to start on 19th June, and classes will be on online mode, and daily session, 1 hour session, Monday to Friday. And timings is morning 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. IST zone. And duration is 45 days approximately. Complete real-time scenario based. And mode of language is English, and level of teaching is considering all candidates from the non-IT background. Okay. And version is Tableau 2023 point version, and training profile. What my I have 8 years of experience in Tableau developer, as a Tableau developer, and 5 years in freelancing professional trainer. And who can learn this course? Who can learn this course means non-IT background students and IT background students candidates can be learned. Okay, why? Means this is a non-coding tool. This is a non-coding tool. No coding is involved in this one. No need to write any coding here like C, C++, Java, Python. Okay, coding itself not required. Whatever the data is there in our database, that data has to convert into the charts. Simple. Very friendly tool. This is very friendly tool. Anyone can learn easily. Okay, and prerequisition, just basic computer knowledge is required with the dedication. Okay, you need to have put your dedication on this course so that you can crack the interview very fast. Okay, no technical skills are required. No any other no technical skills are required. It's simply just come and learn Tableau, and you can step into the IT sector very easily. And if you are interested, and coming to this one, what are the topics we're going to cover in Tableau is Tableau overview, type of connection, data modeling, filtering, parameters, calculation, quick table calculation, LOD, and analytical group sets, bins, doing basic to advanced chart, dashboard designing, row level security, and Tableau online. And also, I'll teach basic, very basic topics of the SQL. Why the SQL? I told you right. No, coding is it's a non-coding tool. Why again you teaching the SQL topics means there's some basic requirement is there for learning the Tableau. For that case, we have to learn some of the basic. These are the basic, very basic on SQL. Okay, anyone can learn. We are not going to advanced topics also. It's very basic commands, constraints, functions, operators, joins, Windows functions, views, and store procedure. These topics are more than enough to enter into the Tableau. Okay, these topics also will cover some of the topics will be repeated in Tableau and it's in a visualization format. Okay, then what? Once we go to these topics, then uh, if you're interested to learn Tableau, this I can give my this email ID. Just contact through email ID or directly call or WhatsApp number, and you can listen 2 to 3 classes. If you like my session, just you can continue, or that's your choice. If you want to drop, you can drop also. It's very fantastic tool, and also you get good package. You also good package on your current CTC, or if you want to go for a really this is a very wonderful tool, and just learn and you can see a lot of changes in your life. Okay, and for more details, please contact on this email ID or you can call us directly or WhatsApp number. And so we can share more details and then you can share the link, meeting link, and then you can join for a training sessions. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining this session. Have a nice day. Bye.